Another one. Oh my god.
New Jersey has issued a severe
Another SVR.
warning for Central Somerset County,
Let's go.
North Central Middlesex County until 3:45 p.m.
Turn them on
6
now.
p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Somerville, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Somerville, Somerset, Bridgewater, Middlesex, Bound Brook, Manville, Martinsville, Society Hill, South Plainfield, North Plainfield, Highland Park, Duneland, Raritan, Watchung, and South Bound Brook. This includes the following highways.
Interstate destination
in New Jersey between mile markers 29 and 42. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 5 and 22. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is the forecast for the New York City metropolitan area. Heat advisory remains in effect until 8 p.m. Sunday. Today,
Wait, did I forget to turn on any of these? Oh, this.
hot with highs in the mid-90s.
Let's go.
West winds around 5 miles per hour. Becoming south this afternoon. Chance of rain 40%. Heat index values.